Hello, today I wanted to share a follow-up to my DIY hardcover book tutorial video. I've taken this handmade cover and made it into a full-blown memory journal scrapbook and just wanted to show you a quick flip through of what I created. My name is Linda from tortajala.com. I'm a graphic designer and my blog is full of free digital printables that I share for the love of all things paper, crafting, and planning. If you are interested in learning more about me, you can find all the details down below in the description box. Just visit my website, tortajala.com. So let's dive right in. As you can see, this is the book cover I created in a previous video. It's linked down below. I love the color of the leather, so that is why I wanted to turn it into something I would keep. After making it into a hard cover, I noticed that the leather is actually really delicate. It gets dented and dirty pretty easily, so it's definitely not something that I want to use on a daily basis. It should be a book that I'm going to finish and archive. I have a lot of leather die cuts, so I will probably use them to decorate the cover and hide any of the imperfections that are there. So to make my journal, I took a big mix of papers and cut them to size, folded them in half, and bound them into this hard cover. It's actually a really simple process. It's called the pamphlet stitch. And you can definitely find a million tutorials out there. Basically, I punched 3 holes in the cover and the folded papers. Then I sewed them all together with one piece of linen string, basically going in and out and tying a knot at the bottom. I decided to use this memory journal for an online workshop by getmessyart.com called Loving Mama, and it's all about motherhood. I definitely improvised and just used the online class as a jumping off point, but you can see there are a big mix of pages with photos and journaling. The pages of this memory journal scrapbook, they are made from scrapbooking cardstock to vellum that I printed at home, as well as some found papers. I've also used lots of leather die cuts as embellishments and supplies that I already had from various scrapbooking companies. As you can see, the back, I sort of damaged the cover because I got some glue stuck on it, but of course I can cover it up with embellishments or decorations. Same with the front of the cover. I can add decoration on the front as well. So here, let me just do a quick flip through of the pages to show you what I've created. And I'm actually not completely done journaling yet on every single page, but I do have all the photos printed out and glued in and sort of semi-decorated, leaving room to just add my journaling as I finish my thoughts. I also think it's nice to add sort of blank or extra pages at the end, especially for this type of journal since it is about motherhood and that is an ongoing journey, so I might add things as I go along. Of course, you can also experiment with other binding methods if you have made a hardcover journal, whether you want it to be a journal or a planner. You can bind signatures into it. You can bind more than just one stack of pieces of paper, so it has multiple signatures, or you can even go to crafting shops that sell sort of binder hardware, and you can attach inside your own hardcover binder rings. You can make yourself sort of like a mini binder. There's really a lot of options. In reality, after you've made a hardcover binder, you can even put a pocket in it and like slip a journal inside if that's what you prefer, if you're using the hardcover just to protect another book. But I think by far, just simply creating a journal with one set of papers is the easiest way to make a functional journal for scrapbooking or memory keeping or any type of book-related craft that you might want to create. So this is my do-it-yourself hardcover memory journal scrapbook. I don't know what you want to call it, but I will definitely show you some snaps of what I ended up creating for the cover and how I finished up other pages of this book. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely just wanted to update everyone from my previous video so you can see what it is I created from this hardcover that was made way back when. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much.